travelers that come to PNG to travel with the local line. Itineraries always change. I mean, like, if you are
I like how you just kept quiet. Oh God. Hey fellas.
Because it's just unique in its own way. You get a lot of information and authentic experiences than you probably get in some other countries. We have over 800 different cultures. And you can see the preparation of the food is totally unique. I think it's really properly made, so it's more on the top. It has to be with tourism. You're going to get the authentic, real experience in PNG. You know, it's a really genuine place at the local level. So it's really a good experience for local PNG, the real people and the beauty of the place.
Can I kiss the chef? Yes, you can kiss the chef. Yes, I do. It's very, very nice. I just made a loss today, so I am a bit unhappy about something that I was looking forward to. So now I'm just cooking, well, baking, you know, just to get over the pain that I'm in a little bit. A little bit of pain. What are you baking? I find baking a little difficult. The accuracy and measurements. I think when you've been baking for quite some time, the measurements no longer become a priority. You know, I have been baking for myself and just only 3 to 2 people that are around me. So it's just basically buns that are this small. I'm gonna be fitting them into this can. So I'm not making dinner, guys. I'm just baking a little bit of scones. They're gonna be fitting here. So that's all that I'm making. I got disappointed a little bit today, but I mean, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. For dinner, I'm having oxtail that we bought because, guys, who's gonna cook oxtail now? Who's gonna cook oxtail now? Hi, Blue. Hi. How are you? My heart is broken. My heart is on fire. Guys, I've got a very small kitchen. It's like a bachelor's. So this is the only side you guys are going to see for now until I get my bigger place. Ibuhlungu kakhulu ngendlela ebuhlungu ngakhona. Angiva ukuthi umuntu ngomthanda kakhulu but angakhulumisi efonini. Masuthi mina ke sengayekela ukukhulumisana nawe so I panic. Oh, but I do have, okay, can you please tap the screen, please? Like, just tap the screen. I think Sunday I will be cooking my own oxtail. Hi, Jabu unjani lahade bawusangivuseli ngoba phela wenu awukho kangwane. Hayi, tawuphela sitawufana. Tawuphela sitawufana. Kutawuphela sitawufana. Ngoba wena awukho kangwane. So ulukhuni nje kutholakala emoyeni. Ha? Kutawuphela sitawufana. Yangiva kambe? Who else is going to see Kanye West? Because I am. I'm going to see Travis Scott. Who else is going to see Travis? Yo, you're eating those so loud.
Sorry, babe.
This thing is not mixing. How does that sound? So yeah, I did. I can't talk about it today. This rock by someone special. At Dlamini. Siyam imibuto yenu lena rough. Hayi kudala. Okay. What are your guys' plans for the weekend? You can just say it one by one. One by one. Hey babe, hi to me sang, how are you? Oh, mama is cooking in the kitchen. I am. gun. It is, I do not have one. Because mina nibuta ngoba you have sent people now to ask us about our stuff. No, I don't have a gun. Who told you I had a gun? Aviola. I remember her. Yes, I am. I am, my love. I am. So did Louis. How are we making? I'm baking. I'll show you guys the end goal. I'll show you guys the end goal. I just hope I have like all the time to wait for you guys. I mean, to wait with you guys, you know. But I don't know. We'll see. So to those who, I heard that Ghana is coming next year. Ghana. I'm not sure how true that is, but I heard that Ghana is coming next year. Next year, 2026. Yo. I'm getting old. My goodness. I heard of Drake. No, y'all are just lying. Drake. No ways. Y'all are just making like things that y'all want. Like, you're just making it up now. Nobody actually confirmed Drake. I don't remember anyone confirming Drake, guys. I'm so sorry. Drake is coming to SA. I don't remember. Guys, come on. If Drake is going to SA, that means the whole of the world will be going to SA too. In May, check online. Next year. You don't look like someone who can cook. Shits and gigs here. James and Fuhad. No, I don't care. I don't care. I just want Kanye, you know. Now that Travis came, it's good. Kanye now. The rest of everybody, I really don't care about it too. I'm so sorry. If Max Verstappen comes to South Africa, then I'll go. Hello. No. Can someone please check? Someone else check. Yeah, can someone please check if Drake is really coming? Because y'all, these artists are going to finish our money at this point. Caramel Dlamini. My name is Blue Dlamini. Let's go to Harare again. hlukene lo movie loyo. Hlukene nalo movie loyo. Ngathi sengibona kanjani. It's what I'm baking is really small, guys. It's not that much. I'm very much left-handed, guys. I'm so sorry. I hope that's not offensive here. I'm very much left-handed. So I've always been left-handed. Are you married? No, I'm not married. I'm married. I'm very much, guys, I have to put this here because and then falls. Drake is heading to South Africa May the 4th. I'm headed to South Africa May. I'll probably be staying in South Africa next year. No one knows. No one knows. No one knows. Where are you located? I stay in Eswatini, guys. I'm a Swazi. I was born and bred in Eswatini. Give me your number. I don't. So let me tell you something. Swaziland and South Africa, the same currency. We use South African money here. It's the same. 200 emalangeni versus 200 rand is the same value, and then you know, but South Africans don't use our notes, but here we use South African notes. So if you have 200 rand here, it means you have 200 emalangeni still. So it's not that much of a big deal, guys. I don't know what you mean, just like pounds in the EU. I don't know about that. There are South African shops like Clicks, Eswatini. Yes, we have Clicks, we have Spar, we have Pick and Pay, and it's the same things. Like inside, if you go into a South African Spar, everything you'll find in a South African Spar you can find in Swaziland. Let's just say this, guys. Eswatini is almost like a province to South Africa. It's like a baby to South Africa. But the things that the Pick and Pay you're going to go to in Zimbabwe, you can never find the things that you will find in South Africa. So yeah, so that's it, guys. Bad romance. Oh, So lobola is not cheap to sell. I think lobola in Swaziland is not cheap, guys. Lobola in Swaziland is definitely not cheap. It's definitely not cheap. Don't let them lie to you. It's very, very expensive, especially when you marry a Dlamini girl. That one Dlamini girl that is educated with no kids. Ish, you're gonna suffer, my brother. You're gonna suffer. You can't find her by Olive. Yeah, that's why I said, you know, she might have deactivated her accounts because something had went off. I don't know what really. So I don't know. Like I really like I try to help other people. I'm not describing myself, but if you want to say it that way, thank you. If you want to put it that way, thank you. Guys, I'm gonna have to love and leave you guys. Thank you so much for joining my live, because now I have to put this in the oven and I have to go sit down for 20 minutes, and I'm not going to be able to be here on the live for 20 minutes. Are you married? Hey Puddin. Hey. I want your love and I want your revenge, and I only want a bit romance. I remember King Mswati making it law to marry more than one wife, and no one has ever tried that. If you try and you marry, you will never have rest in your life. You will never have rest. You will never have rest. King was saying that for reproduction, because Emaswati is just only, there's a little Emaswati, but you do that if you know that your pocket is heavy, guys. You just don't take 2 wives or 3 wives when you know for a fact that he never made a law. He never. Y'all just lying on the king's name. Y'all just like, he never said do that, because king doesn't know what your pocket is. Are you gonna afford 2 Bugattis for 2 wives? Answer the question. Answer the question. After having sex with me, are you gonna have sex with the lady too today? No, if you're strong enough, then good. Good. Very happy then. When you want 3 wives, congratulations, and you will be none of them will love you. They'll just be there for what you have to give. I promise you that. None of those. Maybe the first one will love you, you know, and the second one will just be there because of what you are doing for the first wife, you know. She definitely wouldn't care about you. Oh, Mola. God, what the hell is that? Maybe if I get them from your side, they will love me. You can never have 3 people loving you. The first one will love you. The second one will be there because of what you're doing for the other one. The third one will be there just to say, I'm the youngest, and I will also get everything that you guys have. That's how simple it is. You are only just producing money for them, you know. And you might find that the kids that they will give you are not yours. But you will never find out until the kids are 18 years old, you know, stuff. You will never find out. You will never. That is why a lot of men today are raising kids that they don't know. Because y'all want multiple women and stuff. And when that woman does go cheat, you will never find out until she wants you to. You all are here raising kids that you think are yours, but they are not yours. And you wanna know how your wives, they get pregnant off of other men. When you spend 2 days with the other wife and they get jealous, do you really think they are waiting for you to come back from Mrs. Stevenson's? You think they are waiting for you to come back? Make it make sense. If y'all really want polygamy, it's okay. That's not a problem. It's really not a problem, but just know that none of them are going to love you. None of them. Even the first one that you will think so much is going to accept that nonsense. No, she's gonna go for a younger man to get her pregnant, and then she will pin the baby on you. You will never find out because she's your darling wife and she's your first wife, and you will and you will think she will never do that to you. Too much sugar. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring, I promise you. Sharing is definitely caring. But it goes both ways. Oh, my wife can never do that. My wife has kids. She's focused on kids now. Yeah, she's focused on kids and not you because she's focused on someone else. You will never find out until she wants you to. That's what I'm saying. You guys are not understanding the memo. You guys are not getting the memo. Oof, my face. Okay, it's time to clean up. Oh, I want 2 wives, I want 3 wives, I want to make my surname go further. Hey, ngifuna ukuvusa umuzi wababa mina. Uzovusa umuzi wababa, but ingane zakho angeke zibe zonke izibongo zakho. Khohlwa, forget it. Give me one polygamy family that is successful, that is so nice, no fights, no nothing. Give me one that you think is successful. Just give me one. Do you have friends as pretty as you? Yes, I do. Mselewu. Oh, please. Oh, shame. That man is crying for help. Oh, he's crying for help, shame. Expecting a phone call. So guys, I am gonna love and leave you. Thank you so much for joining my live. Well, I'll leave you when I'm done washing this. I wanna wash. Might have put a lot of sugar. I was given the recipe by my sister. My sister Kunegi from my stepmom. I wouldn't say she's my stepmom. But yeah, that recipe was given to by my sister. Oh, she used to be a good cook. She used to like doing things, you know. No music today. Now. People are watching. Hey, Promise. Hi, Masilela One. Three. My watch. Cartier. Guys, remember, I'm not cooking. I'm only baking just small scones, okay? I'm not cooking. I'm in love with your body. Where have I been? I've always been here. That means you were the one that was gone, because I've always been here. I have always been here, my darling. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Why don't I have IG? Guys, it's a very long story, hey? It's about IG, because it's not really a long story, but like my partner wasn't comfortable with me being on IG, so I had to, you know, disperse. Of which I really think it saved me a lot. Ooh. You know. Blue man. So I decided to leave Instagram, and ever since I left, I've been doing great. Not thinking about any Instagram, not thinking about anything, not worried about what am I gonna post. Now I just post silly things on TikTok, just dancing, really nothing special, nothing bad, you know. I will. One day. Oh, okay. It does. You wanna come here? How old am I? I'm 24. Yeah, ne. "19. You are a liar." But you already have a partner. I'm sorry, what year do you supposed to have a partner or not have a partner? I'm sorry, I don't get it. I really don't get it, guys. Am I not like supposed to have a partner like right now? I'm in love with your body. It's a very good question. I love F1. I'm thinking of putting my other phone. Guys, I stay alone. This hair is not from Olive, guys. This one, I changed the hair. I actually just installed this one. Sasemncane angashadi. Hey. Sasemncane ngifuna umshado. Prediction for this weekend. Is it this weekend? It's not this weekend, it's next weekend. Race is on the 20-something. 24. Ho. Hey, unless I'm playing with myself. Race is not for this guy, good thing. Where do you install your hair? In town. In town by Neliswa. Neliswa, she's been my stylist for over 2 years now. Well, this is the second year together. You're single. Any hair looks good on you. That's what I'm saying. Oh, Shane, thank you so much, Sandra Sam. Thank you so much. Open one thing. Buy more for me. Buy more for me, please. Buy more. Yes, Nelisa is so good. Nelisa is so good. And her installs, they last. Oh my goodness. They are the best installs ever. I used to think Joburg was doing good. Now that I have Nelisa, honestly, I'd rather... Yeah, but no, even South Africa is good, but like Nelisa is great. Guys, when I'm done here, oh, thankfully, but the starting. Oh, ito bulalab soup. Okay guys, ngiyabonga kuba nami. I mean Eswatini guys. Ngiyabonga kuba nami mina sengiyahamba. Bengipaka bake sengicedzile. Ngabe ngiyasho ukuthi angihlale maybe ngihlale nani kuze kuvuthwe, but sengiceda lokuhamba because sengicedzile nalelo ndaba. Ngifuna ukuhlala phansi. Angathi guys noma sime kanye kanye simele ukuthi kuze kuvuphe sitokhona kuhlekana mangaba kaphumi kahle, yabona. Ngicabanga kuma nami yabo. But 20 minutes wonke bafethu. Ngifuna kungihleba wena. Ngifuna kuhlekisa ngami. Hayi akasinje in real life ngambona mina. Umnyama kunalokho. Akasinje. Mad man. No, a catfish is blue. Hi, catfish is blue. Nize nibe nemadeva abovu so nikhamsile. Catfish blue akasinje in real life. Mnyama. Nize nibe nemsifa la. Ndokupha so nihleba. Ngiyadlala mina. How's this mina ngambona in real life? Ngambona. Usita makeup nalama lashes. Ngaphandle kwawo sisi wo. Ngiyakutshela. Kusho ema-peasants lana ethi aistropes lethunge bafana ahlangene ofana. My favorite meat has to be oxtail. I don't know how I got into oxtail, but I love oxtail. Guys, for my devabu. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. 10 minutes and I'll be done. need my other phone right here. I'm in love with your body. I'm in love with your body. Slim thick mina. Yo, I had to buy Ozempic at this point because why would someone say that I'm slim thick? I thought I need Ozempic. Opuzan. It's just juice. Apple juice. I do not accept requests, guys, but thank you so much. It's coming okay as far as I can see it underneath. It looks good, but I feel like it's gonna be too sweet. I think I added a lot of content. I'm blessed from behind. I am. Ngaze ngasineka ke nami. Nisineka ningepho. Who knows that video where they were laughing at that guy who says he doesn't want to take photos, and then the people laughed, and then the lady said, nisinegani, it's what nisinegani ke futhi. Oh God. Oscar Pretorius. Is it Pretorius or Pretorius? I don't know. Oscar Pretorius. Yeah, it must be that. I went to do my hair today, and after my hair I came back home and I started, well, I went for breakfast, went to do my hair, and then I'm back home now baking. Tomorrow I'm gonna go and get some things, some groceries at Woolworths. Bread, I don't have bread, so yeah, that will be my all. I didn't think that I needed my Instagram. I haven't had Instagram for years now, guys. Probably 4 years now, 5 years, I don't know. I've never I wasn't really consistent, you know. Instagram really needs you to be. Max on podium this weekend, but he's still on podium even though he's number 2 at the moment. It's not what I'm worried about though. I'm worried about the car points, you know. the team points were number 4, McLaren, Mercedes, Ferrari, and then us. So we don't. No, this is not orange, guys. This is apple juice. So if you're not a fraud, go back to Insta. Your tribe's waiting. No, I'm doing good. I'm not phased. I'll tell you something that doesn't bother me. Someone lying about me, someone cheating on me, someone lying about me, on that's just like things that just doesn't bother me. What bothers me is my mother. If you know my mother is not okay, then that will bother me. But anything else, if I hear that you're cheating on me, I probably will just be shocked. But I'll move on. Really, I don't have anything. That just doesn't annoy me, guys. I'm not phased of anything. Go home. I saw a video of yours trending on some South African. That video, oh my gosh. It was that one bum shaking, right? Just disgusting. My dream is to be. It's just to be happy, you know. I won't lie. I just want to be happy, you know. I wanna just be excited. I can't claim all of those, you know, good things and whatever, but I just want to be happy. That's all. Would you mind being a housewife? I would want to have a business of my own on the side, you know, because I have sat in the house before and I don't want to sit out in the house. It's just like sometimes it's just overwhelming. It's not nice, you know. I've never heard of you. Ngiyasikhuluma Swati mina. Ngendlela lengikhuluma ngakhona Swati. Angazi ukuthi bese sifuna ukuthi ngente njani, but ngiyasikhuluma Swati. Do you think you're in a happy place right now? I don't think so, but I think right now I'm in a very confusing spot in my life. Right now I'm very confused. There's a lot of things that are very confusing and I'm questioning right now at the moment. But I hope that there's gonna be something good that will come out of it, but we don't know. We don't know. I've decided to let things go, you know. There's a lot of things that you can't control. There's a lot of things that you can control, but I've chosen not to try and control things anymore. I just want to let things be the way they're supposed to be, and with that way I'm able to live a stress-free life. Will you ever relocate to Namibia? No. Why would I do that? BBL sponsor. How can I help? No, I don't need help. I don't want anybody's help. I'm actually doing well, but like, I just don't think that. What's your workout routine? I don't work out. Which city are you from? Eswatini. I'm not gonna say where. Would as if that would ever come to me. Yeah, guys, you guys think that TikTok is a joke. Like, you just offer someone $25,000 and you think that really I'm just gonna be excited over a scam. Oh man, I thought you were an SA. No, I'm not, guys. I'm thinking of pulling out this thing, but like, I think I'm done now. So guys, Guys, thank you so much for joining my live, and I'm gonna love and leave you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. And I'm saying hamba manje sengithini lo bala. Angisasiboni izaphu sami sekubaba manje sengicabanga kuhamba.